How to log in to your Roblox account. Now in order to log in to your Roblox account, just simply open your Roblox app, and after opening the Roblox app, you just simply need to tap into this sign in button from this home page. Tap to sign in button, and then you need to enter either your email, username or phone number, or you can use passkey or quick sign in. Just simply choose the best option in order to log in to your account. I am choosing the email or phone number option from here. Just simply enter the email or phone number that you have used in order to create an account in Roblox. Then tap to next button, and you can enter your password in this section, which will be hidden for you in order to maintain the privacy from Roblox. Then after entering your password, tap to continue. Then you need to tap into I agree in the updated agreements if you have any, otherwise you will directly be logged in to your Roblox account. So this is how you can very easily log into your Roblox. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.